Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can go about generating static ads to add to your existing Meta Ads account. We do know that static ads, in addition to good creatives on the video side, is going to help drive that middle to bottom funnel conversion and help reduce overall costs. When people have already got an understanding of the brand and potentially the product as well, that static ad with a good product image is going to drive that click and eventually that purchase as well. So how can we generate massive amounts of creatives statically without necessarily worrying about designers, worrying about like really expensive creative studios, for example? So we can use tools to generate really quickly, and this is going to be using the latest in Google's AI models. So Nano Banana was released a few months ago, but literally just today we released the Nano Banana Pro model, and this is even better and kind of cuts out a lot of those problems that had with type errors, for example. So we're now at a stage where we can reliably generate static creatives and then use them in our ad accounts. So I'm going to show you exactly how we can use a program called Feisty Creator to go about generating these creatives and using existing brands that you can use as inspiration to generate these creatives as well. So you don't even need to think up new ideas per se. So on the left-hand side here, we have some brand assets, and we can upload anything that's going to be relevant to the final product that we want to generate. So you can see here, I have a logo of the brand that I want to generate, and we also have a product image as well that we want to include in the final generation. The second thing is we want to include an inspiration brand. Now, this is really going to help the model understand the kind of vibe and aesthetics that we're going for. So we want to pick a brand, an existing Meta Ads library brand that is going to be relevant and is going to be visually similar to what we're after. Now, I found this brand, which was just happened to the US Department of Veteran Affairs, because it had a similar sort of blue coloring to the brand, and I just liked the way that they were kind of presenting their ads layout. So I can very simply type in my inspiration brands here and select one. And you can see that that actually pops out all their existing ads, which we can use to start new generations. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Once you add those product images and once you add those inspiration ads, you can see that a new generation just started because I clicked on one of these inspiration ads. You can actually choose which ad you want to use, or you can just generate and it's going to generate a bunch for you. But I just want to quickly show you what it actually can produce. So you can see we've got the product image in here, and here's another example. Again, this is taking from that inspiration. So things like how the foreground and the background is displayed is going to be off that inspiration image. It might take you a few generations to get something that you really like, but you'll find that very, very quickly it's going to be quite easy to generate something that looks quite professional. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I hope that gets you lower CPAs. Till next time, cheers.